Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we got a whole bunch of things from Temu for literally cents. Let's see how we do it. So if you're new here, we do a lot of Temu hauls. And I keep getting these promotions pop up in my Temu, and some of them work, some of them don't. I'll show you these ones that do, but they were giving me like 99% off, so I was literally only paying 1 cent for all of these items. It's insane. So let's get into it. I do want to note that I didn't have a minimum order limit on my Temu. That's how I was able to do so many of these, but now I do. So I think just be careful when you do too many at once, because they may take away your order limit and you may have to have one again. Okay, and first item here. This is a 3D printed dragon. Now, my son is extremely into these 3D printed things. You can see that there's the 3D printed hairs and stuff on there too. It's okay, it'll come off all easily. But he's multicolored. My son is going to love that, and I only paid 1 cent for it. So that's going to be going into his stocking. Okay, and next item we have here. This is actually going to be for my mother-in-law, but I only paid 1 cent. But it is a little wallet, little card holder, and it has Supernatural on there, the 3 guys, and a very nice swivel clip as well. And it does open up. It's just 1 pocket, I believe. Yep. And it has the phone piece in there, and then there's a little ID holder on the back as well. She's gonna really like that, and I like it even more because it was only 1 cent. Definitely some of these deals you gotta hop onto on Temu for sure. And I just checked it every other day and they popped a new one up, so I figured, okay, why not? I always have money in my credit, so might as well use the cents to get stocking stuffers, why not? Okay, and next item here, I actually got 2 of these because I have 2 boys and I got the offer twice for them, which is good. But they're mini pin boards. And you may know that I already have mine here and it's getting quite full. My sons wanted to start collecting pins as well because they were getting jealous of my own. So I got them their own little mini boards. And only for 1 cent. And there is 2 of them. I just don't know where the second one is at this moment. It's okay. Next item we have here is a 5-pack of children's socks. But they're Adventure Time. Now, my one son is now extremely into Adventure Time. So the fact that these came up for just 1 cent, I had to grab them. There's the first pair. I don't know these things' names. I think this is Jake. I have no idea. But it's a 5-pack of socks. Aren't those awesome? Oh, this one's a little frayed. That's okay. It'll still get used. It's just the top. And then the last one. That's pretty awesome for 1 cent. Definitely. Now this is another thing for one of my son's stockings, my older son. He really likes Stitch and Lego, so I figured that this would be a great combo. Yes, it's the knockoff BrickHeads or whatever, but I actually find these to be better quality sometimes, or better things to look at. And this has 161 pieces, and it's Stitch. Can't go wrong for 1 cent. Their stockings are definitely going to be filled this year of things that they actually enjoy and love. Okay, next is a 10-piece item. They're really tiny though. But they are little gemstone hearts. Again, only for a cent. But I figured this would be great stocking stuffers. Ooh, that one's really pretty. This would be great stocking stuffers because most of my kids really like gemstones. You got different ones there, and they're all shaped like a heart. Green jade. Got like a white one here. And a darker blue. And a couple pink ones, so they're going to be the same, but this is like a peachy pink almost. But it came with 10 of them and it was only for a cent, so I figured why not. And I do want to note that with some of the offers that they do, sometimes you get to choose what you get for 99% off, and sometimes they just choose something that's in your cart. So just be wary of that you may have to get something that you weren't planning to get right now, but you were planning to get eventually because it was in your cart. Okay, and next was a 3-piece set. This is actually going to be for my dog's stockings. I'm not going to squeak them because they'll go nuts right now. But they're little squeaky balls. My dogs absolutely love these, so I think they're going to have a heyday with these. And those are going to be for my puppy's stockings. Again, only a cent. What else do we have here? Okay. Sorry for the crinkles. Next is a hat for my youngest son. It's a nice warm toque, and it's adventure time again. Again, only a cent, and it's very warm. This toque will keep him warm in the winter for sure, and he's gonna love it. I actually just got him a pair of boots that are bright yellow, so that's gonna actually match that, so that's perfect. Here's the other one. It's the exact same as the other banner that we got earlier. I got 2 of them for both my kids. Okay, and this was one of the freebies that I was like, I might as well, because it was the only thing that they offered that was appealing to me. I was trying to go for mostly Christmas stuff and like stocking stuffers for these freebies, so. But these are lights. They do require 3 AA batteries, but they have snowflakes and Christmas trees, and they're like a frosted glass. I thought these were just adorable. As you can see, my house is decorated, so I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put these. I might actually put them outside on my patio. That might work well if I put a Ziploc baggie around the batteries. But again, for 1 cent, how can you go wrong? And there you have all of our amazing deals. I spent literally 13 cents on all of that stuff. That's pretty amazing. Again, I do want to note that you have to have a no minimum checkout in your cart on Temu so that you can get the 1 cent items. Otherwise, you're going to have to spend your minimum cart item plus getting your 1 cent item. If you'd like to join up for Temu, make sure that you click the affiliate link that's in the description box of the video. That link could get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Join me for all these holiday deals. What else have you seen? Have you gotten anything for cheap deals like this and 99% off? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. We do Temu hauls and AliExpress hauls, Dollarama things on a budget. So make sure that you hit that subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye.